How to fix unable to connect to EAFC servers. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can check and fix unable to connect to EAFC servers. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So if you guys have been facing problems saying that it is unable to connect to the EAFC servers, then just follow these simple steps to fix the problem. So the very first thing you need to do is check if the EAFC servers are running currently or not. You can go to EAFC's official help website to check the specific servers. That provides a real-time status on the servers. You can also check other websites like different online forums like Reddit communities and Reddit posts to see if other players are facing the problem as well. Now, if you think that there is an issue with your internet, you can fix that as well. And to do that, you will first have to head over to your settings menu and simply search for control panel. Now here you are just going to search for control panel and hit enter. And once your control panel is open, you want to head over to network and sharing and then click on the option where you have an option to change the advanced settings. Click on advanced sharing settings and change adapter settings. Now from here you are going to go ahead and right click on it and then click on properties of your internet connection. And then click on the IPv4. Now click on properties as well. And from here, you are going to go ahead and provide the following IP address and DNS manually. So just click on DNS and provide 8.8.8 for the preferred DNS servers, which is the official Google's DNS. And on the alternative, you're going to type in 8.8.4.4. Once you do that, you can just click on OK, and then you should be good to go. And after doing that, you can go to the speed checking websites like speedtest.net and then check your internet speed. And make sure that you have a stable enough internet connection to run the game. And after doing all of this, you can simply go ahead and close down your EAFC game on your console or your PC and then restart it back again. But if you're still facing the issue, then you will have to contact the EAFC's help and support and they will guide you on your problem. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.